In this video I'm going to show you how to do the popcorn using 3 stitches using double crochet. I'm just gonna go to the second one over. So if you ever had this one here, the number of times you go into the stitch is defined in the pattern. So you're just going to double crochet 3 times into the same stitch. So 1, 2, 3. Kind of looks like a shell, but it's not at this point. And you're going to just drop the loop and you're gonna come to the first one of the 3 and go from the front of the first one and then just grab the loop and pull through. Let me show you again right here. So I'm gonna put in 3 double crochets, 1, 2 and 3, and then come to the first one of the group and grab it. So this is considered the right side of the popcorn. It's always considered the right side unless it tells you otherwise. So if it told you that there was the wrong side, here's how you would do it. So you're still going to double crochet your 3 times into your stitch, but the difference is that how you grab that loop then, which changes the direction. So you put your 3, so you drop the loop. So in right side, the normal side, you go from the front to the back, but in the wrong side you come from the first stitch from the back to the front, grab the loop and pull through. So you can see it changes the look. So this one's popping out towards you, this one's away from you. So by using the right side or the wrong side changes the direction of how they're popping. So this is how to do the double crochet using 3 stitches for a popcorn.